Hello everyone, good morning. So this is V and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna teach you how to customize your logo for your YouTube channel. So the easiest way to make your own logo. Okay, let's start. So first go to Play Store, download PixArt. So after downloading it, open the app and skip this part, X, and then just choose, for example, a simple background, and then add text. Choose your desired size and the font and the color, the stroke, the opacity if you want, the shadow, it's up to you. So just be creative. And then for the design, sticker, and choose, for example, heart. Adjust the desired size you want, and if you want more design for your logo, so you add more sticker, for example, crown, queen. And then again, put it anywhere you like, so it's all up to you. And then if you're satisfied with your design of your logo, then check and save it. That's it. And done. So there you go. So you are now ready to make your own logo. Thank you for watching. Bye.